Hey guys, it's me, Star Luna, but you can just call me Luna. Okay, so we're in my car. So I am with my mother. I'm not going to show her face because this is not a show face channel. But here is a valley on the side with a house. I have no idea. There's another house. But so this was really pretty because of the mountains. It's so pretty. And then we have the city all the way over here. I'm sorry you can't see it, but it's there. And then in front of us, yes, I'm in the middle seat. Yes, that's my mother's hand, so yes, I'm returning. Oh, I'm sorry that it's so shaky because we're on a road. So, yeah, I'm really sorry. What the? I did not know. Whoa. Okay, my mother found a parking lot. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Can we get out of the car? Mm-hmm. Okay, hang on. Let's get out of the car. I'm sorry I don't know how to edit. I really don't know how to edit. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're finally out in the sunshine. Oh, I got it. Yes, this is our car. And then this is the valley, basically. Okay, so. Look at this pretty place. So me and my mom are going to go to another place maybe. Do you want to go to that other place?
Sure.
Yeah. So we're going to try to go to that other place that we saw. And then it's going to be there. So, yeah. Sorry that I'm coughing. I know it's the COVID-19 season, but so what? My mom just says I have the flu or something.
You have allergies.
Allergies. I'm sorry that the screen's black. And presto, you're back to seeing the light. Okay, I need a drink. Hang on, I'm sorry. It's going to be black again. Well, not black. There we go. Yeah. V8 drink. I'm so sorry that I had to do all those cuts. But yeah, so we're going to go back and see oh, look at that. Look at that. I really want to go hiking. I want to go to that hiking place.
Many people right now.
And we drove from our house all the way over here a little bit ago, so I'm so sorry that you missed that. So we're going to go to a different spot where you can just look at the valley. It's very beautiful. I have to cough. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's keep going. It's so shaky. I am so sorry, it's so shaky. They should have made a nature park where no one could build buildings. Yeah. V8 Drink not sponsored. I'm so sorry, V8 Drink, but you're not sponsored. But I might sponsor you in another video when I'm better at hosting videos. I'm really sorry. I forgot my stuffed animal at home. Well, whatever. I forgot my stuffed animal at home, so I am so sorry that I forgot it. You're just going to see this thing today. My hand. Okay. I am so sorry for the cringe. Yes, there's a lot of things in the world that you must see. See, look at that. Look at that valley, bro. Look at that valley. Don't you love nature? So, since you guys can't go out, I'm just going to do this video because, like, you don't get to see nature anymore, mostly. So, I'm going out. So, yeah. So, I'm going out and then just showing you guys some nature so that way you don't get bored at home. And, yeah. So, let's just get back on to the video. Okay, so we're still finding that place back where we were. I am so sorry for the long distancing. I'm like really sorry for how long we've been driving. But yeah. So I think we just found the place over here. My mom used to always go to these two places. And we found it, but how do we get over there? Okay, so I think we're here finally.
Yeah, but I can't turn around. So I'm gonna have to go up a second. Turn around.
Oh. Are you sure we're supposed to be over here?
Yeah, I'll be over here.
Okay. I'm just going to go on the closest cut. Whoa. It's steep. It's very, very steep.
You're not supposed to get up there.
You can get up here. Yeah, I can barely see too. I'm sorry that it's so dark. There we go. So, this is what it looks like. It is very, very steep, so don't try this at home, people. Don't try this. Yeah, I'm barely even staying up. You can see all that. It's like so beautiful. Just like so beautiful because of all those trees in the city. So like, it is so pretty. Wait a minute, is that a house all the way over there? We have these, we have everything here. Yeah, this is where I'm standing, so I don't think you should try this. But this is a very nice valley. So this is where I'm going to stop. And so bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.